Stephen Curry got off to a promising start Friday, birdieing the second and third holes to open the American Century Championship at Edgewood in South Lake Tahoe. But his tee shot on hole number 4 was sprayed right, so far right it appeared it might have gone out of bounds. Curry and his caddy located the ball, sitting up in the tall grass with an angle to the green on the picturesque 536-yard par 5 on the northernmost edge of the course. Curry had a good lie and decided to be aggressive with more than 200 yards needed to clear the bunkers for a chance at an eagle putt. "I was playing aggressive all day," Curry said afterwards. "I knew where the issues were." Curry aimed left of the hole, but the shot was aligned directly with the flag. The ball landed roughly 10 feet from the pin, setting up a straightforward eagle putt, which he drained. He went on to shoot 69 for the day, scoring 27 Stableford points to take the first round lead after finishing 16th in the event last year.